That means a golf ball is headed your way from hit by someone at Topgolf.
And that means you are an employee at Topgolf who has to ride around and pick up all the golf balls.
Oh yeah, that looks fun.
I went to Topgolf once.
Cool. I was there.
I know.
Yeah.
It was fun.
You talked a lot about a conspiracy theory you have.
I did. It's not a conspiracy. Wait, it's not a conspiracy. The podcast I want to make?
Yeah.
It's not a conspiracy.
Okay. There are conspiracies within the story.
We're going to do our gayest and straightest, but first, Fossil Daddy, where can people find out more about you, what you're up to, see your beautiful face? Tell us all the things.
Well, you could find me on Instagram or Twitter, or I guess X now, but I'm still going to call it Twitter, at Fossil Daddy. That's FOSSILDADDY. And then also my YouTube, because that's something I'm putting a lot of heart and love into, so definitely find me there and listen to me bitch about fossils and creationists.
Yeah. Do you know a guy named Forrest Belkai?
Sounds familiar. I don't know names as much as I...
Everyone has the same reaction of like, oh, I absolutely love this.
Well, I mean, it's why we like widgets, right? It's just like, this is just like for the, whenever your phone is charging, it's just this like little permanent widget machine. Just always showing you something, right? Which is interesting to you, or helpful to you, or useful to you, or pretty in some way. It's like, I just think it's just very, very good.
I really do think you nailed it though. It makes the phone useful all the time, whereas in its default.
Right out the gate with some.
So Ronald Dion DeSantis.
Dion DeSantis.
No, it's a good change, honestly, to DeSantis.
Run around Sue.
Yeah, too many
Almost
E sounds
the
of
same
it.
name as Deion Sanders, who would have been a better governor of Florida.
Close.
Probably. He might have been a terrible person.
Oh, we are all in on Sanders.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So I should note off the top here that when I say Ron was born in Florida, I am referring to the state in the southeastern portion of the United States, not the seminal genre-defining rap artist.
It's not about a bucket list thing. Warren Schmidt, a quiet ex-insurance actuary, is unhappily married to Helen.
Oh, this is about Schmidt. This is about Schmidt.
Yeah, and brooding over the forthcoming wedding of his daughter Jeannie to Randall Hertz. When Helen suddenly dies, and he finds love letters to her from his best friend, he is inspired to try and stop the wedding, but standing in his way is Randall's feisty mother, and slowly he realizes he must make the most of his remaining life.
You know that movie got made.
It did. It was a good movie.
I know it was a good movie, but that's the description.
Yes, I think we even talked about it. Yeah, I heard it actually in an episode. So, we were going to do a team Kyle and team light competition, set and t-shirt designs for team Kyle and team light. Yeah. Make your design to a shirt. Yep, Kyle will pick his favorite, and I will pick my favorite, and we will send you 3 copies of that. And some of those things. Yeah, so 350, come on. Yay. Yeah. Now the news. Just about to go for a test. Time for your news. That's really interesting of you, isn't it? Guess I'm not here then.
What were you imagining?
Yeah.
Okay, I've got an idea. Have you got any liver?
I can't do that with white line
head over to makemymoneymatter.co.uk. They are going to show you where you can reinvest your pension money, which is so simple to do. Andy's already done it, haven't you, Andy?
I did. It took me about 10 minutes, and that was because I couldn't find my password for a little while. Switching from a standard fund to a sustainable fund, it is so easy, and it is such a massive lever that you can pull. Make My Money Matter have done some research. They have found that making your pension green could cut your carbon footprint.
Around her day, like if he just let her be on Snapchat for 8 hours and she screamed at Snapchat in the living room, like I would be into her. I don't think that we would have a very good relationship. So just make really clear household rules. You've been living there for a year, this is your household too. You can say PlayStation is between the hours of X and Y, and outside of those hours we're going to have some structure to the day. We're gonna get dressed by this time, we're gonna go out, you can come shopping with me today, you can come get a pedicure this day, I'm getting my nails done, we can go for a walk, you know what.
Just about see properly in the background. Google Maps is saying 23 minutes from here. No, what middle one? This one, triangle. You're not going to walk down the path